Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I have a card tutorial for you. This is a super cute little card. I love this stamp set. This is the Press On stamp set, the new one that will be coming August 4th in the new holiday mini catalog. And I wanted to share another project with you from this bundle. It's not a bundle, it's just a stamp set. So I thought it was super cute, and so I just put together this card. It's really a clean and simple one for me, and there's no technique to it, so it's going to be really pretty quick tutorial. All right, so let's get started with this. This is the stamp set right here. Isn't it adorable? I don't know if everybody knows this about me, but I really love mugs and coffee cups. So I usually get them like when we travel. I usually get one, and I don't know, if I see a cute one, I pick it up, and I don't know what I do with them all. I just look at them, but they're so cute. It's just something I really like. So that's just a tidbit I don't think a lot of you know about me. And I'm a tea drinker. I'm not really a coffee drinker. I do drink coffee once in a while, but I've really switched over to green tea in the last few years. So, but you can make it for tea lovers too. It's really, really cute. All right, so let's get started with this. This is a top fold card, so it opens this way. And I'm really liking that about this card too. So we are going to use a piece that is 11 by 4 1/4, and then you are going to fold it in half at 5 1/2. So it's going to fold in half, just like that. So you're open like that. And then you are going to need a piece of crumb cake that is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. And I already embossed this, because when you emboss and when you do regular cutting, you need two different setups. So I decided to go ahead and run this through. And this is run through with our new Dainty Diamonds. This is available now. It's in our annual catalog. So it's really, really cute, but I don't know if you can see the design there. It's really a pretty design. I really like that. And to stamp on, you're going to need a piece of Whisper White, and it's 1 3/4 by 4 1/4. I'm using thick Whisper White for all of this. And then for the sentiment, you'll need a piece that's 2 1/4 by 1/2. You also need the peony dies, or some kind of scallop die, or a scallop punch, because we're going to use this one that's from the peony dies. This is from the Prized Peony bundle. So it's this one that goes with this. I love this one, and you've seen me use it, I think, a few times already. So we're going to run this through the Big Shot. That's why I went ahead and did the embossing first. So let's go ahead and just run this through really quick. So you need to have a straight edge so that this will be the same width all the way across. So you want to line it right up to that straight edge, and then we're just going to run it through. And you can color these mugs, you know, you can use your watercolor markers, your watercolor pencils. You can use your blender pens for this. In fact, I should have used the blender pen, because I haven't showed that in a while, but maybe in one of the next ones. All right, so let's go ahead and stamp. There's so many options to color though. So we are going to stamp this with Memento Black, because we are using our blends for this one. All right, so let's center that in the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment as well. It says a cup of thanks, and I think that was the wrong piece that I did it on. I think that was a little bit smaller. Here's the piece right here. So let's go ahead and do that again. Yeah, that's much, much better. That was a piece I used for another project. All right, so let's go ahead and color this. I'm going to color every one of these with light and dark crumb cake, and I'm just going to color the cup part. So we are just going to color these. And then I'm going to just shade it a little bit. And then I need to use the smaller nib because these are little areas that we're using. I'm going to color this one. I think I might do these a little bit different. And then we're going to use this. I'm just going to keep these out and just shade it a little bit. I'm going to use, is this the dark? Yes, I need to use the light, and we're going to color each one of these. I think I'm running low on, I've had these markers since they came out, and it's lasted a long time. So I'm not upset that it's running low. All right, so we got that, and I think this one, I'm going to do like every other one. I love the crumb cake for these. They're really cute. And I'm just going to leave that one white because we're going to color the little dots red. And the last time I did it, it kind of bled into there. So into the crumb cake. So we're going to do it different. We're going to color this heart. And this is real red. And then each dot. You don't even have, all you have to do is press down for these to color these dots. They're so small. And even if you don't get them in there perfect, it's still darn cute. I'm going to use some light and dark pumpkin pie for this one. So I usually use my light color first and then just do a little bit of blending with the, or shading with the darker. All right, and then I think this one I'm going to do Granny Apple Green, the other little curly here. I think I'm going to leave this one like that, just plain. I think it looks cute like that. I did put yellow in the other one, but I'm going to leave it just like that. So look at that. Isn't that adorable? I just love these. They're so cute. All right, so let's put our ruffle here on there. So I'm going to use my Stamp and Seal here. And we are going to just put that right to the edge. And then I'm just going to trim whatever was left. So it's a 4 1/4 long. So if you just want to cut a piece that's 4 1/4, you can do it that way as well. Cut that a little bit straighter. All right. And then we are going to bring in our card base, and we're going to put this, first what we're going to do is we're going to put this on here. And we're going to center that. Come on, don't give up on me. I've been doing so good with this. Sometimes if you just hold it in the right position, it works much better. I'm getting really much better used to it. Much more used to it, I guess is a better way to say that. All right, so we're putting that on. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my adhesive on here, but I need to grab my trim here, and this is going to be in the new mini catalog as well, so you'll be able to get it August 4th again. It's the braided linen trim, but it's in red instead of like we had it in crumb cake before. So what you want to do is just bring this around, and I should have just put the adhesive because now I'm going to have to, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just set it on the card. I don't want to cut the trim yet. And we're going to put this in the center. I could seal it down, and then I can tie my bow. Last time I didn't put all the adhesive on it one time, but I wasn't thinking there. All right, so we are going to tie a bow here. It ties a really nice little bow. There we go, and I'm gonna just make it a little bit smaller because we don't need it that big. And then we're gonna just trim. And I'm gonna actually add a little glue dot underneath there, underneath the little knot part of the bow, so it stays down and stays in place. Just like that. Now all we need to add is our sentiment, and I am going to pop that up with some dimensionals. So you really only need, there's a couple options here. You can put the sentiment to the right, to the left, or you can put it in the center. I really liked it in the center, but let's go ahead and put it on the right side and see. You can make your own decision on which. I liked it here because I felt like it balanced it out, but you can also put it right here on the side. So that is it. Isn't that cute? And it's really quick and easy, isn't it? So here's the other one. So you can really color it a lot more. You can color it least or less. But yeah, it's really a really quick and easy one. And I love this set. It's just super cute. All right, everyone, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you need any supplies, this is my July hostess code. And you can shop on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.